desire, hope, expectation, and aspiration. These are the drivers of human society, aren't they? If someone asks you who you are, what will be your answer? Consider it once. You'll immediately know that your wishes are the interpretation of your life. The achievement of getting something or the failure of not getting anything is your introduction. Most people live in such a way that they die from within themselves but cannot kill their desires. The desires run to them in the same way that the deer thrives himself. But in the bottom of these desires, there is also the light of knowledge. When desires remain incomplete and broken, then a ray of knowledge enters the human heart. Think yourself.